Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first fixes now. Confirm Android Studio and Gradle plugin versions match, mismatch breaks sync. Once done, check your network, proxy, and firewall, disable VPN to rule it out. Then open Gradle. Properties and ensure org. Gradle. JVmargs has enough heap and set offline equals false so dependencies can download. These steps eliminate the most common external causes, so make sure to run a quick file sync project with Gradle files after applying them. Next, you fix mid-level dependency and cache problems that persist. Start by invalidating caches and restarting. This clears broken indices. Once restarted, close Android Studio, delete the project. Gradle and module build folders. This forces a fresh download. Then run /Gradle clean build from the terminal to reveal precise errors. Make sure Gradle. Properties has offline equals false so dependencies are fetched. If you see version conflicts, update dependency versions or add explicit resolution strategy entry. To finish, update the Gradle wrapper and Android Gradle plugin to compatible releases. Use the wrapper task or Android Studio prompt so wrapper properties align. Next, verify your Java SDK path and project structure and use the recommended JDK 11 unless your project explicitly needs another. Mismatched JDKs cause sync failures. Finally, run sync and read the Gradle console for root causes. If it still fails, note the exact error lines, and as a troubleshooting tip, share them when asking for help. Error snippets speed diagnosis significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.